Yo. Wagwan. Guys, this is just a re-upload because we met a video when it just came out, made it, uploaded, and something went wrong. I don't know what went wrong. A lot of people have been messaging me saying react to this song. So here it is. It's a re-upload, fresh. So drop a like on it again if you've done it so already, and just subscribe to the channel. And thanks for the new subs that's been here. Appreciate it. Check out the video. Let's go.
It's all about Jamaica's worst gamer. You deaf with the baddest. And as they say, connect.
Yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S here with another reaction. Today we are with Nhance and Bob Klean with On and On. So Nhance and Bob Klean with On and On. Let's jump in the one here and hear what the G have to say. Let's go.
Oh, I'm single, but I can still feel it that someone is cheating on me.
Come here, man. Look up.
Klean Entertainment.
Bombo. Oh, yaga mama. Mama TikTok.
Do not even cry because your tears them leaving me in a shit. You get the chance to be a queen, you want to be a bitch. I know you want come back, I used to say the G are rich. Glad me never breathe, I made it quick for my roll, me pinch, me leave an inch and walk.
That youth are talented, you fuck.
But I can still feel it
that youth are talented, you fuck.
Cheating on me.
Yeah, things are gonna go on here now. Let me get ready for that one now.
Klean Entertainment.
Big up everybody in the comment section and say I react to that one too. Tell her react to that now.
Do not even cry because your tears them leaving me in a shit.
No cry.
You get the chance to be a queen, you want to be a bitch.
Yeah.
I know you want come back, I used to say the G are rich. Glad me never breathe, I made it quick for my roll, me pinch, me leave an inch and why you see the need for.
How the fuck him get that in another line there, so? How him get that pinch, leave an inch and roll? How him get that in another line there, so dog? Talent.
Shit, you get the chance to be a queen, you want to be a bitch. I know you want come back, I used to say the G are rich. Glad me never breathe, I made it quick for my roll, me pinch, me leave an inch and why you see the need for this man? Your energy no good for me, better.
I'm gonna say, yo, hey, mama, me never breathe, you know? Remember, say me pinch, leave an inch and roll, me put on my condom. Remember that? So me never breathe you, so whoever breathe you, go on back. Go on back. Binds, gal, binds.
I for be a bitch. I know you want come back, I used to say the G are rich. Glad me never breathe, I made it quick for my roll, me pinch, me leave an inch and why you see the need for this man? Your energy no good for me, better you keep a distance. You say you love me and me name, me walk and piss and shit pan, but me even response. Right now my cut and me no need a response, yeah.
Anything you want to do from now, mama, go and go do it. We don't care, we don't response. We don't response. You see, you love me, but I'm name me live pan. What kind of thing that binds we again? Binds.
The G are rich, glad me never breathe, I made it quick for my roll, me pinch, me leave an inch and why you see the need for this man? Your energy no good for me, better you keep a distance. You say you love me and me name, me walk and piss and shit pan, but me even response. Right now my cut and me no need a response, yeah. Up to now, me can't believe it, me I really this babes. I see you treats man, the way see your pussy when in no shape. Or fuck you.
I saw you treat somebody we see you at your worst, we see you with no makeup. I saw you treat somebody we see you without no weave, no wig. I saw you treat somebody we see your pussy bushy like the Amazon rainforest. I saw you treat somebody where your pussy want a afro pick out it blood clot cause it tie up and not up. I saw. Alright, let's go.
Can't believe believe me, I really this babes. I see a treats man, the way see a pussy when you no shape. Or fuck you when you no beard. Or kiss you when you just wake and you no brush teeth, your mouth stink on a regular day. But
I you the man you fuck. Hey, I comfortable do that, you know? When you're comfortable with somebody, you know, you're in a relationship with them, you know. Man say me fuck you in a bed, kiss her with the man in bed and be a sitting, yo.
Can't believe me, I really this babes. I see a treats man, the way see a pussy when you no shape.
Yeah.
Or fuck you when you no beard. Or kiss you when you just wake and you no brush teeth, your mouth stink on a regular day. But that a wedding affair. And every feelings when me I feel you already a change. You know it feel for smart the way you love, I left you in a pain. I know me left in a tears. Me nah lie, you do me fuck up, but life goes on. Hey nah, 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 nah. Hey nah, 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 nah. Hey nah, nah, nah. Remember, still life goes on. Hey nah, nah, nah. Hey nah.
Is it me or other girl that look have a resemblance of Chanel Mirror? Look on her again. Look on her.
Still life goes on.
Look like Chanel Mirror. Look up Chanel.
Hey nah, nah, nah. Hey nah, nah, nah. Remember, still life goes on. Like why you feel more that take you serious now? You feel more want a second chance, forget my feelings fuck up. Like me didn't really love you. And people point the flaws and me nasty, they need for judge you. They know me really cut up.
Yeah, people show me say you're a fucker. People show me your flaws, but guess what? I'm still not judge you. I'm still there with you. So me want treat you. Eh? Eh, girl?
Really love you. And people point the flaws and me nasty, they need for judge you. They know me really cut up. Me shoulda even born you. Me shoulda fuck your bigger sister and go breed your cousin. Me shoulda
fuck your bigger sister in her whole minds. Should I fuck her in her whole man? And be the cousin too. Cha. Look what you do me, man.
Cut up. Me shoulda even born you. Me shoulda fuck your bigger sister and go breed your cousin. Me shoulda even put your granny on her knee for bubble.
Enhance, leave the granny outside. Enhance say him shoulda fuck your granny. Him shoulda take your granny fast teeth out her mouth, put it in one glass of water next to her bedside, and put her up on her knee for bubble. Alright, him never said the first part, but him said the knee and the bubble part. Yeah, him said that.
The flaws and me nasty, they need for judge you. They know me really cut up. Me shoulda even born you. Me shoulda fuck your bigger sister and go breed your cousin. Me shoulda even put your granny on her knee for bubble. It's funny how me wouldn't hurt, you know you have me right. That's so free, some evil something. And even though me know all of this is in the past.
So he ended up saying a while ago, it's funny how him still wouldn't do none of them something that even though she have him away. Because I don't know, like something still there, but him know say, yo, she too toxic for him, like, can't work it. No, it's not gonna work it. You do too much now, mama.
Your cousin, me shoulda even
listen
put
up, Pastor.
on her knee for bubble. It's funny how me wouldn't hurt, you know you have me right. That's so free, some evil something. And even
It's funny how me wouldn't hurt you, but right now you have me right to say pray some evil something. Even though him a pray it, him a say him shoulda, but him never say him do it. He never say him do it.
even though I know all of this is in the past. Every time I met span, it is like a drill in me heart. Like you're me really pissed off. Because the amount of time and half the time I give you my last. And you really diss my dog, or you really diss my cause. You see a brother with a big man, I hit did one.
Ah, money. And money make you do it, mama. Money man make you do it. And you're not true. You're not true to the relationship where we have. You're not true to what we have. You was all about the money. The man said me even give me last. Mama, make you wicked so.
You love sweets too much, I can't wait for your teeth for chip off. Me
You love sweets too much. Me can't wait for your teeth them rotten out. Me can't wait till you get rotten teeth. You love sweets too much, man.
brother with a big man, I hit did one. You love sweets too much, I can't wait for your teeth for chip off. Me only make you take my kindness for weakness, because my love is so no feel me this stuff. Hey nah, nah, nah.
Me only make you take my kindness for weakness. So no feel it, me me only make you take my kindness for weakness because I true me love you. So turn about that feel me soft. Now you see the real me now.
Love is so no feel me this stuff.
Cup run over.
Hey nah, nah, nah. Hey nah, nah, nah. Hey nah, nah, nah. Remember, say life goes on. Hey nah, nah. Hey nah, nah.
When do a while ago? Watch him do. Watch his style. Watch your style with pop. Watch out. Walk out to the door. Make sure follow your cuz. Yeah. Walk it back now. Circle. Yeah. Lock your door. Suck yourself. Yo, that man. Yo, that man, you fuck. Cause you see how well him know her? You see how well him know her? Him know say, yo, if him just say what him a say and walk off the fire, she go walk him down and start her fuckery. So here what I go do. I go walk outside, circle you, and lock you out. Move your blood clot. Leave up. Binds up.
Remember, say life goes on.
Watch out. Circle like turtle.
Remember, say life goes on.
Pass gone back, I with them, G them. Like, not happen. But like, she forward in and do what she do and say what she say, but him also say what she said to him and the G them outside a reason see him and they even business with Wagwan inside because him not shout. Him just tell her peace of mind. So the G them outside do them things same way, but then no say yo, but him no say yo, if something go down, them a go rush in. So no go down, man, that's the easy way, that's do so him a say, walk go outside, make you follow, circle around like a turkey around and just come back inside and say yo, lock the door, move, binds. Bola one day. But yeah, that one about Enhance, big of yourself. This is showing Enhance versatility to the max. This is showing how much this guy is growing in the music business, bro. Like, he's serious about it. He's very serious about it. And if you're not a fan yet, you will be soon. I promise you that. Enhance, make up yourself. When you can't call that person your name, no. Production. I will produce it. Bob Klean. Bob Klean. Mixed by Simpak. Simpak, make up yourself. Simpak. Bob Klean. Okay, Bob Klean label entertainment. Make up yourself, Bob Klean. Yeah. Alright, this one is wanna steal. If you enjoy that one, I want to see more Enhance. Click on any one of them two video and you know what to do already. Alright, I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.
It's all about Jamaica's worst game. You deaf with the baddest. And it's a rap connect.